Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe down below. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I bleach my frontal to achieve a natural looking hairline. For this, I'll be using the L'Oreal Colorista hair bleach, and I'll be using it as per instructions on the packaging. Also, I'll be using a brush, some gloves, and a beaker. Now take the one labeled 1 and the one labeled 2 and mix them in the beaker so that they form a paste. Now you want it as thick as possible because you don't want it to seep through the hair. Now take the one labeled 3 and pour it into the mixture and mix them together till it's even and smooth. Using your brush, start applying them onto the frontal. Make sure you apply them as evenly as possible.
I no go lie to you, yeah. Oh, yeah, take all my money, put them for your head, yo. For your head, yo. Oh, mama, mo. Oh, yeah, take all my money, put them for your waist, yo. For your waist, yo. Why? I went calling, still. All I'm in is baby girl, follow me, my new. Baby girl, follow me, my calling, still. Baby girl, follow me, my new. Baby girl, follow me, my Star boy, oh good ole. Ice water. Baby girl, follow me, my oh. This your love who ne makes me moya oh. Elele. Baby, can we do this tonight, yo? Yeah. Baby, can we do this for life, yo? Like I hold you tight and honest, yo. Yeah. Hold you tight and no go lie to you. Yeah.
Once that's finished, wrap your frontal in a foil, making sure that the bleach doesn't touch the hair on the frontal.
Mama, mo. Oh, yeah, take all my money, put them for your waist.
And set a timer for 10 to 30 minutes depending on the strength of the bleach and also how well your frontal takes bleach.
Baby girl, follow me, my new.
Once the timer is done, go wash the frontal and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video or if you gained something from it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.